Hello, my name is Jennifer, and Rudy Kusuma and his team helped my family sell their property. So my family decided to sell their property because it's a three-unit apartment complex because my parents are growing older and my sister's going to college, so we just thought this is a good time to sell the property. And we decided to try with Rudy Kusuma, and it was a very good experience. The entire team was very diligent in helping my family sell the property. There was an ongoing communication with me as well as the tenants and the buyer, so I was very satisfied. I would definitely recommend Rudy Kusuma, his team, and especially my agent Jay with selling and purchasing homes, because he was very diligent, meticulous and attentive throughout the entire process, so I was stress-free. Thank you.